Hi everybody, this is Chandni Mahajan from Celestial Energies, your tarot card reader, your relationship coach, Vastu consultant, numerologist, so on and so on. Today I'm here with another type of a reading that is called What Your Angels Want to Say You on Christmas, or what is the message what your angels or guardians want to say you on the eve of Christmas. Today we are, as usual, we are having three sets of decks which are pertaining to four set of different cards: guardian angels, magical unicorns, dragon wisdom, and angel answer. So you just have to focus on one of the deck and see what is actually meant for you. And if resonate, please do comment on the in the feedback section or a comment section. So let's see what we have chosen or what angels have guided you. So first deck is for the pyrite ball. People, those who have chosen this pyrite ball. Pyrite is usually called the fool stone or the merchant stone. This is this heals your solar plexus. This is meant for wealth accumulation. You can manifest wealth with this stone. Pyrite is normally a very heavy stone, not to be broken, but nowadays it is also found in clusters. This is also for the wealth accumulation. If you want to manifest wealth, you can do that. So let's see what for pile number one is storing for us. We can see we have this angel cards. Guardian angel, 8 of action. We are having ace of abundance. Let's shift these decks to a head place. So here we have ace of abundance. Now we have a path in the dragon wisdom. We have scars. We have unicorn card with saying love heals fear, and another saying forgive. So, and angel card saying wait. So if we go on to 8 of action, that means there is so much we have already arranged for. Now it is that we are overwhelmed with something that is actually keeping us busy, the work that you love. Express your gratitude or the blessings to the heaven that are actually making you busy, because it is in philosophy it is also said that if you are busy, that means you are occupied, that means you are doing something, that means you are doing something which is actually making you happy. Then is ace of abundance, that means this cherub is actually bringing you a wonderful news. Might be there is a windfall of resources, there is some new venture is going to start, there is change in career, some important contracts to be signed. If you see in relationship, what your angel cards are saying, that if you are in relationship, if you have hurt somebody, if you have actually bullied somebody, it is time for it to be healed somewhere somehow. Because if you'll be scared, if you'll be fearful that he or she will actually not going to forgive me or something like that, no, they'll forgive you. It is time to let go the anger or blame. Stop blaming yourself or other person. If you are actually in love, go ahead, make up. This is the right time. Just wait for the right time and hinge back. This is what angel card is saying. So whatever scars were there, whatever wounds were there, whatever injuries you had into your previous path, they are actually, you are moving on the right path. You will actually be cleared with all these. Just say a simple forgiveness of sorry and just wait for the right time, so that the things actually happen for you in a right way. So this was the first card reading. So in this I would say that whatever you are doing, whatever you were actually focused on, whatever you started your project with, it is actually going to be fruitful, and you will reach back to your goals, and you'll meet love of your life. Now we will come to the second pile, those who have chosen this labradorite skull. Labradorite is again a crystal of clarity. It brings us the intuition. Labradorite gives us the concentration power. Labradorite also brings many access to the psychic energies. Labradorite helps us in manifestations, help us to fulfill our dreams by manifesting, lots of manifestings. Today whatever crystals we are using, they are maximally used for manifestation. Manifestation is whatever positive affirmation we are saying again and again. When we say a certain thing or we say a same statement, it goes into universe and universe help us to fulfill. So this is the second pile which I'll be picking up with the labradorite skull. So first cards tell us a win-win solution. Second says messenger of the thought. Then the magical unicorn say let go of the stress. Then there is relax, everything is okay. And then it is dragon wisdom card, which is saying a new world is waiting for you. And universe, a new world and universe if coming on the same pile, it is a very positive feeling. But ask for help from others, as in you are actually asking others from help, which is actually not desirable. If we talk about the first card, that is a win-win solution. That means there is a strength in diversity by blending the ideas of other people. Start by focusing on aspects that everyone agrees upon. You can't make everyone happy. You have to make yourself happy first. If you are actually going to care about everybody in your life, you will be left behind somewhere. So just focus on yourself. Win-win situation here caters to you. What you have to think about yourself. How you will be able to make yourself happy. Messenger of thoughts, a new topic of intellectual project is really exciting for you. So you are a basically person who somewhere somehow relies upon intellectual projects, who's actually not very diplomatic but a brilliant and a truthful person, who usually focus on something which is practical, which is more logical, and which comes straight from the heart. If we talk about our another cards, which is from the magical unicorn, it is let go of the stress. Don't take on people's stress. Don't like first card came win-win situation. Don't take people's stress. Don't bother about what people are saying. Just focus on yourself. Relax, and everything is going to be fine in your life. Don't worry, everything is going to be fine. It is you who have to make a move. Nobody else is going to eat for you. Nobody else is going to drink for you. It is you who has to make an effort and make your path yourself. Then we have dragon wisdom, where it is saying a new world and a universe. When new world and a universe are there, that means you have to build your own new world. Might be something which you have broken in past, might be something which is waiting for you in your present. But you have to do what is being liked by you, where you are not suppressing yourself, where you are not just kind of, hiding yourself. You have to open up. You have to come forward. Asks for help from others. If you are actually going to ask for help from others every time, it is not going to work, because as I said previously, you have to make effort for your own self. Nobody else is going to make any effort for you. Till the time you are not going to dig your well, you are not going to drink the water. So this is for the people, those who have chosen the labradorite deck or the labradorite skull. So now I'll be pulling on to green Aventurian turtles pile. Green Aventurian again is a manifestation stone for wealth accumulation. It can also heal your heart chakra. A turtle in a house represents long life. A turtle with the Shri Yantra over it helps in focusing to the wealth or the property or the money or anything pertaining to cash in the house. So if we actually keep these kind of stuff in our house, so these actually put the long life of the people, those who are living in a house. As we know, the turtle is the one, or the tortoise is the one with the longest lifespan, and with this Vastu Yantra, this Lakshmi Yantra on the top, or Shri Yantra on the top, even multiplies the wealth. So all these crystals are actually available with my team. Excuse me. You can call them or you can DM them and let you know about the prices, about each and everything. So first card which we are going to pull is Messenger of Emotion, Ace of Action, Laughter, Love from your parents. Dragon card is Nutrition, Peace, and Angel card says a year from now. So what I'll pick first is Messenger of Emotion. This is the beginning of new emotional experience that you could grow something deeper. You may receive a message expressing a feelings that you didn't even know you were developing. So today what I can feel, the Christmas is all about the couples, singles, or the people, those who have broken up in their relationship, people, those who want to jump into relationship, people who are actually into relationship. So what message angels want to give them? Messenger of Emotion. Here it says that either it is a new emotional experience which is actually growing deeper, or you have something from the past which is coming to you, which is actually bothering you, because it could be that you are especially shy or sensitive, where you are actually not able to hide anything, or you are not able to express anything. Ace of Action. This cherub is heralding a time of wonderful new opportunities related to your creativity, your career, pursuing your dreams. So wherever the dreams are coming, a new business opportunities or projects, maybe a new partnership, maybe something new in your life can be assumed by this. When we see this Laughter card, that if you actually focus on your emotions, if you actually focus on yourself, things are going to improve in your life. You need a good love from your parents, no matter what your mother and father love as you much as they can. Sometimes even loving parents is a huge job, or in an emotional circle. Sometimes people are away from their parents. Sometimes people don't like something what their parents are saying. Sometimes parents don't understand the children. So this is a time to bring the bond in. Then there is a card of Nutrition and a Peace from Dragon Wisdom. Nutrition might be suggesting you that you are not actually taking proper care of yourself, you are not eating properly, you are not taking food properly, but somewhere somehow you want peace in your life, which is actually not there. So I could correlate this with the messenger of emotion, that actually you need to be at peace. So you have to listen to your heart first. If you are actually not going to listen to your heart, and you are going to be very practical, things are not going to work for you. And whatever you are desiring, a year from now the things will be completed. That means by next Christmas you will be able to achieve whatever you want to. So these are the cards, or these are the readings what your messengers want to say you. So right now I would say that all these three piles are basically focusing on your relationship. What I thought was it was going to be a guardian angel messages, or the message from the angels, but somewhere somehow I'll relate it with the angels itself, that angels want to say you that work on what your heart says first. Don't work on what people want you to do. Don't work on what you are not desiring and you are doing, because there you will be killing yourself and you are suppressing yourself. When you are not happy, you can't keep anybody else happy. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you want another kind of a reading or another questions in your mind, please put into the comment section. See you. Stay safe, stay happy. Merry Christmas. God bless you all.